So this is an AMA, but we've just allowed you to take over the AMA.
Thanks, man.
So the
It's
rules
a
are yours.
pleasure.
Exactly.
Thank you so much.
Can you change governments?
I have no.
So you don't believe in democracy?
I want to say I have tried, but then it would have been a lie. So I think all of us have tried to do that.
Yeah, is it?
Nobody-
They
change
keep
the
telling us everybody's vote counts.
government.
Apparently, it's not
But-
exactly that simple.
Yeah,
Let's be
yeah.
clear. From my head,
From 1 to 100, yes. Anything you want.
89.
89.
Yeah.
Why 89? Just asking.
I was just thinking of Viv Richards is 189, but you only gave me 100, 0 to 100, so I took 89.
Okay, that makes sense.
He had hit that fabulous 189 in 1985, 86 in England. It was
Lovely.
the highest one-day score for a long time.
That is
I see
great.
you have no interest in this.
I have no idea what you're talking about. Inside this is a card. On that,
I can't believe it.
I have written
No,
a name.
I'll
Come
walk
on,
out.
come on.
I'll just walk out!
I think I have
You're
done.
taking steroids.
I have done enough, Cyrus. No, seriously,
Yeah.
is it a lie? I am surprising myself every single time
Aisha was-
because what I do is fake.
Yeah.
This is actually happening. This is actually happening. Oh God, dude.
Abracadabra! I'll explain why I've started in this silly fashion. With me is for the first time, maybe the second time actually. We had Swani, no? Sometime back. So this is our second, but our first male mentalist.
Male mentalist.
And I'm a supporter of the males in
Yes.
India. We are-
Thank you.
Really, we need some support.
Yes.
yaar.
Yes.
Someone
equal,
should
equal rights for males.
equal
also,
rights.
yes.
Kabhi kabhi hug karo, hold karo. Okay, don't even think about those visuals. But Karan is here with us, Karan Chauhan, and he is a mentalist, and he's going to explain everything to us. But more importantly, not only that, he's going to do some tricks and stuff. So please pay attention, guys, wherever you are. I'm looking at all the cameras here
Yeah.
because I don't know what angle will try to catch you. And let's see how it goes. But we'll begin a little bit about who you are and
Yeah.
how it started. Now we have to give some.
Absolutely.
Otherwise, it makes no sense. People start shouting, "What the hell, yaar? Talk about his life." What a fantastic hairstyle you
Thanks, man. This is not me actually.
have. Means?
This is the barber.
हाँ वो तो है.
No, not like that. This
What
was-
skills you have, yaar? बाल निकालो.
No, this was his idea. I
What,
just
this?
wanted different. Yeah,
I think it looks you stand out.
Yeah,
And
man.
now when you say mentalist, you look like the old-fashioned
Old or a rapper these days. Either
हाँ,
that
rapper.
or a rapper.
What is it? DJ Khaled.
I get rappers a lot. Yeah, DJ Khaled. I have the
Khaled,
body
yeah.
type also. So yeah.
अरे वाह, body shaving खुद करेगा.
That, no, when fat people do it to themselves,
I know.
it's self-deprecating. No.
It's not only self-deprecating, it kills the joke for me, yaar.
Ah, it does. Yeah, sorry.
I was waiting to make my one fat shaming joke. Now I can't do it. I look like a complete CSU. Double T in truth.
Of course.
They don't know.
You just
language.
said the word right after spelling it.
Arey Baba, I'm so upset that spelling has gone for a toss here.
Has it?
Have you ever been abused by what's it called? Your millennial, what is it? Gen Z?
Right.
FUK. It's Chinese for fuck.
Yeah, I know.
It's like that. They don't even have, they can't spell bad words. Anyway, let's not vent about these things. Let's talk about Karan's life. Karan, how the hell, what's the back, look at the tattoos.
Yes.
Brother, that's a lot of, is it
That
all
is
over
a
the body?
lot of- no, just the sleeves.
Sleeves.
Yeah, only.
That's a hell of a lot of tattoos,
yeah,
right?
There's a little bit space left. I need some more.
Huh.
Haan.
Donate kindly, please.
Donate, yes.
But-
But start a Kickstarter for this.
We must.
for
We're
that.
trying that. We're trying for the podcast. We've tried.
अच्छा, okay.
कुछ नहीं मिला. एक cup मिला बस.
अरे,
और
nice,
कुछ नहीं.
nice.
But let's go back to the beginning, if you don't mind. Where does it all start?
This started when I was 16. So I was an introvert. So
Huh.
this was my way of opening up to people.
Yeah.
So in
A
school,
lot of artists say that. Na,
Yeah,
कि
yeah.
they are one thing that the avatar changes when they
then
do that. Yeah.
So I think in school I did my first trick for a couple of my friends, and that's where
This is
it
the one where
started.
zipper down.
No.
वो नहीं ना. वो मैंने किया.
Should have been that
True
actually.
shit.
Of course. Should have been that one actually. Now that I think about it,
Just kidding, guys. Don't write it.
vanishing a coin wasn't that great. Now it doesn't.
I killed it, bro.
Yeah, man, vanishing a coin is like,
it's
but
like,
can you do
yeah.
that?
Roshan ने क्या किया?
Where is your magic wand?
Okay.
But yeah, that's how it started for me. And
But where did you get the idea to do a trick, no? Like,
I
matlab-
saw David Blaine on television at
that's
that
what.
time.
Yeah.
So the AXN had something called What is Magic? His first TV special
Yeah.
was there. So
There were these magic shows. I don't know the names, but
Yeah,
I do
yeah.
remember them. Huh.
But What is Magic was the first time we were.
Where he goes and presents it to people on the road,
streets.
street.
Yeah,
Correct.
So India got introduced to that for the first time. We got introduced to that kind of magic for the first time. So that was very exciting. And a friend of mine knew how he did one of his tricks, and he wouldn't tell me. He would show me the the trick every day, but he wouldn't tell me.
Huh.
So one day he wanted my notebook to complete his notes. So I was like, you give me the secret, I give you my notebook. So being a Gujju, first business deal of my life, that was at the age of 16. Loved it. And then that's where it started from. That sort of
Do you
kindled
remember
the
what the
interest.
trick was?
It was a simple card change. You show a playing card, you put it in somebody's hand and changes.
Okay.
That's it.
Sleight of hand.
Sleight of hand. That
Not
was-
easy to do, easy
not
to
easy.
say, but
Yes.
when we try, it doesn't happen. But then you obviously wouldn't think of it as a career.
No, not at that
And
time.
you're saying a Guju, so on top of that, I'm thinking you must be having some sort of the background wouldn't have been into magic.
No, I have brought shame to my entire family.
can
bro,
imagine.
Right now, yes, of course. But no, yeah. So that happened, and then I think there was a website also at that time called freemagictricks.com where you could just go and learn stuff.
Huh.
So I went on the website. I started learning sleight of hand initially, and that's how it began, basically.
But let's explain again ki sleight of hand, this card tricks and things which hopefully you'll do now, is different from the mentalist thing.
Yes,
Completely.
completely.
Huh.
So mentalism started very late for me. For 5 years, I tried all kinds of magic. I took out
This stuff,
pigeons, yes,
with the
this
hands,
stuff,
yeah.
children's birthday parties, pigeons from handkerchiefs, everything.
Can you make my neighbors disappear?
I can actually,
Yes, too
but
many.
for a prize.
हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा, हो
Done.
जाएगा.
Done.
Make them suffer also.
Oh, then extra money, bro.
Show them the coin trick, not the zipper trick.
That is more torturing than the
I
zipper
can
trick.
imagine,
yeah.
yeah.
It is stupid and zipper. Yeah, absolutely. It's a stupid trick, dude. But so mentalism is different because mentalism deals more with the mind, and sleight of hand is more for the eyes. It's visual stuff.
Yeah.
Card changes and coin
Yeah.
vanishes and stuff. So that is the kind of stuff I started with, and then slowly shifted to mentalism.
So how do you learn mentalism? Because that wasn't on any website, right?
No.
So how does one learn it?
So-
I've seen some of these shows. I've actually
Right.
worked with a couple of your namesake, Karan Singh Magic.
Oh yeah, he's
Yeah,
amazing.
he's amazing.
Yeah.
But I'm fascinated about where the initial thing happens for these guys.
So it starts in magic. Most of us start from magic tricks.
With the-
And then
this-
with
all this-
sleight of hand and
yeah.
stuff. And then we slowly move into mentalism because the core principles are the same. That is why. So you start
कि
with
पब्लिक को
magic.
चूते बनाओ.
हाँ और फिर अच्छे से बना के ज्यादा पैसा लो. मतलब
There
ऐसा.
you go. Sophistication एक
No,
चीज है.
genuinely, mentalists do get paid more. If you say magician, no, they'll
No,
not
I know
pay.
what you're saying because like growing up, the magician would be like the lower form of magic.
Yeah, yeah.
And he would bring a rabbit out of a thing and the kids will clap and
absolutely.
all that. But the
Magicians are
mentalist-
just below jugglers. So that is
Oh,
why. Yeah.
Jugglers to gaya.
Jugglers तो खत्म हो
I
गया.
can't see them anymore. I don't think anyone juggles. What a
No.
lovely talent it
It
is.
is.
Yeah. Really.
So everything that took practice now is very low right now.
Yeah.
In-
And actually, that's a skill.
yeah, that is the skill.
And sometimes mentalists, you don't know. The guy's just tokoing, but
probably,
whatever.
yes.
Yeah. But I've seen these guys perform with full 800-seater, and we've done events where these guys are performing and all that. And they've got the audience. I mean, you guys have got the audience. The
Absolutely.
audience gets. I think we all worry about one thing: is it real or not? We can't make up our mind. Either you think 90% yes and 10% no, or 10% yes and 90% yes, or whatever. You
It
know?
is not real.
It's not real.
No, it is a magic trick.
Mentalism also.
Yes.
Huh.
It
You're
is a
exposing
magic
the
trick.
arts.
I don't mind saying it. It's the truth, dude.
So
It's not real.
This is
It's
the
just-
Bruce Lee story.
Yes, it just
Be
feels
very careful.
real. This is okay. Now the whole industry will
Be
sort
after
of
you.
bounty hunters आएंगे. Must like them. But yeah, it's not real, dude. It's not real. It's all magic.
But they're damn
tricks.
good. I mean, I've seen them, get people's names right.
It
and-
feels real
Yeah.
because it's got the psychological element is very heavy in mentalism. In magic, it is very subtle, so it's almost invisible to people. But mentalism, it's very heavy. So yeah, people think you can't know what somebody's thinking of. So that makes it more impossible when we do. So it feels.
But how do you
real.
know what someone's thinking?
I can't tell you that, but yes,
I mean, you can push them into thinking, is it?
sometimes.
But blank like that, you can't look at a person and know what they're thinking.
No. You just
Like,
can't.
my wife and I will never fight.
Exactly.
But she knows what I'm thinking about.
Neither will my wife and I, but
Then
we fight
exactly.
constantly.
Yeah, so much for mentalism.
Yeah, so
not involved
mentalism.
enough.
No, it's only for station. Home life, it will wreck.
magic नहीं है. BB है, BB.
Set है.
Fair enough.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
It's not real, dude.
So you then got on your own. You taught yourself mentalism.
Yes.
And from books, how?
Books.
Huh.
Started with books.
There's
There
no
are-
mentor style thing that happens, is it?
Not here.
Acha, abroad there is.
Abroad, they have school.
So
also.
they pass on the knowledge to the next
yes,
guy.
yes, and then they keep
take it
doing it.
further.
And
Yeah,
so
yeah.
so it's classic teacher-disciple thing where you will see the student almost pick up things like the teacher only. But we don't have it here, so I think we have more
But you
original
could be the
stuff.
guy who starts it.
Probably.
Karan Singh's classes. No, that's Karan Singh Magic.
That
Karan
is
Chauhan's classes.
Chauhan's classes, yes.
That doesn't have good ring to it, sir. Sorry, I have to.
No, it doesn't.
Karan
हाँ.
in classes is working.
But Chauhan shouldn't be there.
Chauhan, because it's Cha, not Ka, na? Karan Chauhan classes?
That works. Probably.
Foreigners के लिए है ना?
हाँ, वो तो वैसे भी करण भी ठीक से नहीं बोलने वाला, तो who cares? हाँ.
Karen.
I have heard Karen so many times.
Yeah. Have you?
I have.
How do you spell it with a K, but no?
Yeah.
Yeah, but they can be spelled anyway.
Karen is also with a K only.
Yeah. So much for my psychology. It's going to be so easy for you, yaar. But dimag, open your mind. There's no mind. So that's the background.
Yeah.
Then just quickly about the career. So then you decided to actually do this as a profession.
Yes.
So how does one, for those who may be interested, how does one actually land up making money, if you don't mind?
So basically, I think the main bread and butter for me has always been corporate events. So we targeted those. We began with those. And after that, we slowly. So the whole idea became that we wanted to do sort of repeat shows. We wanted the same clients to come back to us. So we built several sets, 45 minutes long. We have 4 or 5 right now. So if the same client repeats, they get a different set every single time if their audience is the same. So that's where we started. Because nobody else was doing it back then. Everybody had a 45-minute set fixed. They would do it everywhere. So we built multiple.
So then after you do the round, they've seen it.
Then they can do the second round, the third round. And so that is how it started for us. And that is what sort of helped us break the corporate market.
When you say
properly.
us, who all, you have a team?
Yes, so basically...
Or are you like a person who's many people?
No. I am almost equal to many people, but... Yeah,
I don't mean it that way now. He's making me look like a bad guy.
Why would you talk about me?
I didn't mean it that way.
Yaar,
I
Cyrus,
meant because he's so like...
just because he has biceps, no? Just because...
Correct, that's so unfair.
Come on, man.
You're mentally evolved. I thought
your waist,
you know.
Your waist is as big as my thigh. I know. I understand.
There's a great newscaster whose name I can't mention.
Of course,
rhymes with Roswami.
Right.
Because he says we sometimes and all that. No, so then, and I also get confused.
No. Our we is people, set of people.
Actual लोग हैं या third person में बात करते
हैं? नहीं. Actual लोग हैं.
I don't know. I got to clarify this, yeah.
He's
dealing. You have to deal with all kinds of audience. Sometimes they're really stupid.
Okay, so
yeah. So let's go back. So you started doing the corporate things, and that's what you do.
Yeah.
And then you have like a YouTube channel.
I do, yes.
Yeah.
The Karan Chauhan Show.
The Karan Chauhan Show. So then you have to keep doing different stuff there?
Yes. So I try not to do the same thing that I do in my live shows on my channel. So that material I create differently. Yeah. And I got into comedy in 2015.
Oh, nice.
So now what I do is I combine comedy and mentalism.
You have to be a showman, no? I mean, ultimately, you're putting on a show.
Humor is a huge part of the show. It's insane. We don't take ourselves seriously on stage at all like anybody else in the mentalism world does.
Yeah, you get worried to take panga with the mentalism. So always believe that there's some supernatural power.
Yes.
So you're also worried that boss, agar main disrespect kiya by chance, just being flippant like some people are. They'll take, they might suddenly you'll find that your arm is moved to your head or something.
No. Yes.
Itna power to nahi hai na.
Nahi, bilkul.
Can you change governments?
I have no.
So you don't believe in democracy?
I want to say I have tried, but then it would have been a lie. So I think all of us have tried to do that.
They keep telling us everybody's vote counts. Apparently, it's not exactly that simple.
Yeah.
Let's be clear. Everybody's vote counts. Yeah, vote there. But sir, okay. Let's not go into politics. Let's get back to you. So then, how the career started? You do the corporate events. You're doing the YouTube channel thingy, and you do shows, etc.
Yeah.
And if somebody wants to learn from you, are they allowed to come and meet you?
I don't teach right now.
Okay, but you can make money, na?
No, dude.
Karan's Academy.
No. But Karan Chauhan's classes.
Karan Chauhan's classes. I think that's for foreigners, yaar.
Acha, okay.
They like the sound of the words.
Okay.
Karan Chauhan's classes.
Right, we have no branches.
We have no branches. I'll be that bad voiceover artist from the 80s.
I would love to.
The same voice, whatever it is. Today's funeral is at 6:30 at Shamukananda Hall.
And then we will teach you mentalism.
Then between the funeral and the last rites, Karan Chauhan will teach you a little bit about magic.
Dude. Outside, they actually have mentalist magicians hired for funerals also.
Why?
Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know.
Bro,
I'm not even kidding. I am not even kidding. There are walk-around magicians going around during a funeral.
What the hell would they be talking about? Like,
hey, I'm very sorry, but can you pick a card? That's what happened. Nine of spades.
Yeah, super.
Oh, no, not the nine of
Now when you
spades.
say it, it's not a bad idea. It's a little distracting us. Sabka
Yeah.
mood gaya and all that. And suddenly this guy says, really sorry about what happened. Pick a card.
You're thinking of the nine of spades.
Yeah,
No, I'm
yeah,
thinking of my dead brother. You idiot. Get out. Crazy dude it is.
All right, so let's get back on track. So what magic do you want to show us?
We'll try one. We'll try
Yeah.
one very exciting one. Cyrus, I want you to think.
I'm going to laugh a lot.
No, it's okay.
One second, there's some movement happening here.
Okay.
Achha, you got a fourth camera. This is the first time in the history of our podcast a fourth camera is being. I think
He
they're
is,
trying to catch you.
he is calling me fat in a different way now. See, this is what कि तू 3 कैमरा में भी fit नहीं हो रहा है तो चौथा. Cyrus,
Yeah.
I want you to think of the name of your first crush. Don't say it, just think it.
Boy or girl?
Anything you like.
I'll go with girl.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cyrus, what you're going to do is, I want you to just start saying all the letters from the English language, A to Z, loudly.
In my.
A, B, C, D, like that.
Okay, acha. It's a long episode. A, B,
You can go faster if you
C,
want.
D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Would I be right to say there are 3 A's in this name? I think you, yes.
Yeah,
there are. Yes,
there
there are. Can you just say PQRST for me once? I just want to confirm something.
P, Q, R, S.
Perfect, stop. Oh my god, dude. Where is this person from?
The country doesn't exist anymore because it. I can say the. You want me to tell you the information?
Just where is this person
It
from?
was the erstwhile Yugoslavia.
Okay.
And then it broke up.
Okay.
So it was still Yugoslavia when we were
Okay.
very young. I'm coming back from old times.
Old times. How old were you at that time?
7, 8.
Arey, wow. Very nice. So
It's not like a mature relationship, Baba. I had a crush. You said
No,
crush.
crush,
I remember
absolutely.
elbows used to touch and all that in
And you were
class.
happy with that. Those were the days, dude.
Those were the days, beta. Forget the magic. Let's talk about love.
Yes,
Cheers.
of course. I have written down a name here. Could you tell
The 3 A's are correct.
3 A's are correct.
Correct.
No, I have written down a name here. The pen is down. I can't change this. Could you tell the audience what is the name you're thinking of? First crush?
How do I show the paper?
No. Just say the name.
But then you'll know.
But I've written it down already. So we'll just confirm whether it's
Okay,
right
but
or
you won't be able
and
to
then,
write
No.
anything after
The
this.
pen is down. I'll also, you know what I'll do?
Okay.
I will show it to one of the cameras so that I
Okay,
can't
you
see it.
show it to
This one?
the middle one. Yeah.
Okay. This is good? Cyrus, now everybody's seen it. So I genuinely can't change this.
Okay.
Tell me the name.
But there's a lot of pressure, yeah.
I know, but just say it.
Okay. It's Barbara.
Barbara.
Huh? Huh? Bro, that's scary.
I know, right?
That's no way because you know when you told me, I had to think really hard for the first crush.
Right.
And I remember clearly, as against, teenage crush, which is more real.
Yeah. Okay, right.
How
of
did
course.
you get it, bro? I'm walking out.
No, don't do that, please.
I'm very upset.
I was very
Because she's
excited for this podcast.
Yugoslavian,
Please stay.
Baba. Yugoslavian, firstly. The name also, it's like, how did you get it?
Magic show, yeah.
Brother, I swear my mother, he doesn't know. I haven't. This is not a fixed thing.
Yeah, no.
I don't know how he's done it. It's very scary. I'm going to have the same haircut as you. Except
Please.
I don't know if they'll...
You look nice, dude.
No, but hair won't be left after that. No?
Why?
इतना तो है नहीं.
You have na center.
You're younger, Baba. सब है अभी.
अरे सच्चे में you'll have center में. Have it.
That's what
मस्त
he
लगेगा.
told you.
हाँ,
How do you
that's
get Barbara?
I don't know. You thought of her so. It's a magic trick, guys. I don't want to lie anymore.
But it's fantastic, bro.
It's fantastic,
But you got the
yeah.
3 A's right, man. I'm worried now.
I know.
Because honestly, like I said, I just had to think to the very first girl that I remember that I had some little, that innocent crush for.
Nice.
And then she went off back, but the dad was a shippy and all that.
Okay.
Long story. And then the country also, all that politics happened in Eastern Europe,
Yeah.
blah, 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 blah. So I have no idea where she is or what happened, but I did not lie. I told the truth. My Lord!
And if Barbara is watching,
Yeah, what are the chances?
and if fourth marriage is also over,
Yeah. What about my wife?
that you have to deal with. No, भाई सबका
ये
solution मैं
मैजिक नहीं
थोड़ी
करेगा
देगा
यार.
यार. ऐसा
हाँ,
नहीं
आपका
कर
लिमिट होता है बहन.
तो
किसी को दो.
नहीं, I
इसका
can't.
सेटिंग नहीं करेगा ये इधर से उधर से. मेरे को कबूतर देता हाथ में. मैं क्या करेगा कबूतर के साथ? यार कबूतर. What the hell यार?
नहीं,
Not right.
I'm sorry यार, but
Now
I
you
can't do
reminded
it.
me of Barbara. I got excited also. And now you want to take it further. And boss.
The latter part I can't
Boss,
do. I'm
boss,
sorry, man.
boss.
I'm so sorry.
But how did you do it? I really need to know. Give me some idea, no?
Nothing I can tell you.
But how? Just from me saying the alphabet.
Off camera, I will tell you.
When I say the letters. But I didn't think of her name when I was saying the letters.
That is fine. It stays in the back of your head, so it works.
What do you mean?
So
There's some clue that comes from the way I said the letters.
Yes. It's very long to
I was
explain, dude.
trying to remember the alphabet. To be honest, I couldn't remember the alphabet. I mean, who remembers the alphabet? Yeah, what kind of person all day? Well, I mean, Saturday night, I'll call her home and say the alphabet.
If you...
I mean, what kind of social life is this? Yaar? A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Oh God, dude.
Bro, this is ridiculous. But fantastic, great.
Thank you.
That
Thank you
was
so
great.
much, man.
That was
Thank
great.
you.
What if it didn't work?
Then I would have looked
Or what if I
very
lied
bad.
and I denied it? And
People have done that,
yeah,
surprisingly.
just to screw with you.
Yeah, I know. People
Then-
have done that.
Yeah.
And then because the comedian mentalist image, I
Yeah.
can get away with it.
Yeah.
Because my show opens with the line, I am a comedian and a mentalist. So if there is something you don't find funny, then it is mentalism. So deal
Wow.
with it. So then whatever
No,
mistakes
but if
I
people
make,
are behaving like, what is that word we mentioned few times?
Yes, yes.
It's not really your fault at all.
No.
Because they're just going to be behaving like that.
yeah, but then you have to deal with it
Yeah.
somehow. Different situations, different
Can you
ways.
curse them? And
Yes. I have voodoo dolls of those kind of people.
Really?
No, I'm kidding.
and then you use your prick.
I use my prick.
Acha, acha, acha. What are you laughing at, yaar? This is an expression. बददिमाग लोग हैं यहाँ पे. We are not like
Naughty,
these
we are
guys,
very
yaar.
clean people.
Very
Absolutely.
clean.
Very
Yeah. Barbara. Bro, that was a fabulous story.
Aisha is gonna kill you,
okay,
dude.
Great. Let's move on. And next trick?
Next
What
trick,
do
you
you
want to
wanna
see
show
one
us?
more? Let's
Yeah.
do one more. Let's do this time, no? I'll do my favorite stuff. I love playing cards. Do you play cards, Cyrus?
No, I'm not a card guy, bro.
But do
I've
you-
got ADHD. Anything that takes long, I get bored.
Okay.
Yeah.
This will happen very quickly.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Sounds like my wife. Okay, sorry.
Okay. So the deck is going to be on the table.
Huh.
I will not touch it.
Okay.
I want you to name any playing card you like, but see, here's the thing. People always end up naming playing cards like the Ace of Spades or the Queen
I was going
of
to say
Hearts.
that.
And I know, right? These are no.
Man,
This
it's
is,
scaring me.
no. This
I have
is
Ace of Spades in my head. No, I can't say it.
now you can't say it because
Yeah.
it's very common also. So Ace of Spades, Queen of Hearts, the
Okay.
Kings are very common cards.
Okay.
I'm not saying you can't name them. I'm just
Okay.
saying they're common. So
Okay.
that if you want to name a different card, you can go for it.
I have to say it loud?
Yes, name the card.
Okay, Jack of Diamonds.
Jack of Diamonds.
Huh.
Any special reason for it or just
I just wanted to be different because all the
that is
things I
fine.
wanted to say, you have said.
okay?
So I was down to now thinking.
No problem.
Well, since I'm not a card guy, I have to remember the names. Huh?
No problem. So Jack of Diamonds is what we'll go with. Now, like you said earlier, we had to clear up during the Barbara thing that you did not tell me the name or something like
No,
that.
I didn't.
So even some people might end up thinking that I told you to just say the Jack of Diamonds.
No, you told me not to say Ace of Spades.
Yes.
Huh.
So what we'll do is we also need a number, but this time just for people watching it at home, we will keep that number random. So that people know that you are also not in control of this. Okay, bit. So I have my stopwatch opened up.
Okay.
I'm going to hit start. And you know that, this is minutes, seconds, milliseconds. So if I hit stop, it's 3:33, right? So that is all you have to do. You have to hit start at any point of time you like. You just hit stop and we'll have a bunch of numbers. That's it. That's all you have to do.
Okay.
Okay.
Who hits?
You hit start.
Okay. Where's start? I can't see.
Start is on this side. Little green button.
Got it.
And at any point of time you like, just hit stop. You can wait as long as you want. Yes. Oh, almost. Yeah. Oh. If this works now, I will be impressed. It is going to be one of those.
We are cutting to an item number.
Oh my God.
Okay, start.
What do we have?
21.11.
21 and 11. So
Yeah.
21 and 11 is? If you add them up?
32.
32. So how amazing would it be, Cyrus? You said the Jack of Diamonds.
Correct.
How amazing would it be? I have not touched this deck. If you pick up the cards and you count down to the 32nd card, it will be the Jack of Diamonds.
From up to down, I reached number
Up to
32.
down. 32.
So-
And it should be your card.
गिन के बताओ.
देखो sir.
1.
You can count them face up so people can
Is that
also
1 or
see.
2?
That is 1.
Sir, मेरा feeling नहीं है हाथ में अभी आजकल. 2, 3, 32nd, ना?
32nd.
4,
4. You can go faster.
5. Sir, I can't go
6.
faster. 6. I told you the women have
7.
complained from childhood. This is
This is 7. 8.
8, 9,
9. 10.
11. Why
You have to
laughing?
get to 32.
I know.
12.
Audience is very old.
Oh, okay.
क्या बोला उसने? 13,
Oh,
14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, nearly 19, 20.
20. Oh,
Guys,
this was very close.
this is a
Jack of hearts. Jack of hearts. We came very close.
21, 22, 23, 24. We're nearly there, guys.
Yes,
Last over.
almost.
25, 26.
26.
Should we take a break and do it after the break?
Yeah, probably we should.
27, 28, 29,
30,
30.
31.
Bro, now look. मैं एक बात बताऊं as your lawyer.
Oh, yes, of course.
अब तो 31 हो गया.
हाँ.
अब मैं setting भी कर सकता इसके बाद. I can check, see where Jimmy is, Jackie Diamond, whatever his name is,
हाँ.
and then I can put him on.
Okay.
Yeah,
You want to check?
or I'll be honest and just open it right now.
Open it right now.
You're confident?
Yes, absolutely.
Lock किया जाए?
Yes.
Lock किया जाए.
बिल्कुल. 7 crore. We have Jack of Diamonds, guys. 32.
How did he do it? 30-second card is
The Jack of
Diamonds. Here you go.
Could have gone for 31. Would have gone very badly.
Ah. Oh, what a fabulous.
I know, dude.
This is damn good, yeah.
No, this
At
is-
least you're impressing an old man. Nothing else. So, guys, once again, I'm just saying, this is all real.
There's
We've
no-
not done any
no.
setting of any kind.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, I have never met him before,
Yeah, man.
you know. And in fact, he's told me publicly that we should never say hello in public after this podcast. Huh.
Not
Okay,
at all, dude.
we do have to take a break in a couple of minutes. Is there any more tricks that we can do?
We can do, yeah.
Huh? Okay. So should we take a break first and
Yeah,
then come
yeah,
back?
absolutely.
Give you time to set up.
Yeah, yeah.
But so far it's 2 out of 2. Barbara is correct and
Jack of
Jack of
Diamonds
Diamonds is correct. So not bad.
Not bad.
But the charges are very, let's be honest, to get him for a corporate show, it's about 20 lakhs.
Easily.
Easily plus GST.
Plus,
and conveyance.
yes, thank you for saying the GST part.
Conveyance and
Yeah.
room service ban.
And, अरे हाँ.
Room service, मैं corporate लोग के साथ खाना नहीं खाते.
man, yeah.
We don't eat with the public.
We don't know.
Of
We
course
don't eat
not.
with the public, no.
Because you can make the pakoda disappear. The guy's going,
By
gone.
eating it only. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
2 jokers for price of 1. We'll take a break and come back.
Did you know Indians report nearly 800 cases of online financial fraud every day, which has resulted in losses exceeding 1,000 crores in the last 5 years? To keep you safe from such fraud, I am starting my newest podcast series, Conversation with Vigilante, an initiative by HDFC Bank. In every episode, I will feature special guests who can share expert insights on the different types of fraud, their modus operandi, and how you can protect your money. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't forget to tune into Conversation with Vigilante. Catch the episodes on all audio streaming platforms and V for Vigilante YouTube channel.
Okay, Mentalist has taken over the studio. Our AMA is, normally AMA is where people ask questions. Nobody really asks. I make it up. But genuine people write in with big questions. You know, people with lot of...
Meaningful.
I mean, no, intelligent quota, you know, comes out in that question.
Nice.
You know? What is life, for example?
my
you know?
God,
And
dude.
I always give one-word answers. Next.
Okay.
Something like that. But so this is an AMA, but we've just allowed you to take over the AMA.
Thanks, man.
So the
It's a
rules are yours.
pleasure. Thank you so much. Thank you.
We're just lazy also, bro. We just thought it was a great... Look, sounded like a great idea at the meeting. And then, you know... Yeah. But let's get back to the tricks because we've got a
Yes.
couple of things that Shreya, my producer, whose birthday it was yesterday, wish her.
Wow, happy birthday, Shreya. Belated.
Yeah.
Nice.
24.
So, return gifts?
I don't know, they get return gifts, boss. She's a young girl. Just
So,
they'll
to
file a
kya hua
case.
yaar?
Bandra police station is right
Arey,
here.
but return
You
gift.
can't
I'm
look at a girl and say return gift.
No,
It's
no.
not right there.
I'm asking for one.
Now, wife is another thing altogether.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. I agree. Yes.
So what happened is a little magical moment happened here
Yeah.
where I use my power to shut down the TV. And then you use your power to bring it back on.
Yes,
Yeah.
I mean, we are
And we
so
might do
much in
this-
tandem.
you
You
know.
should make a duo
Yeah.
show and sell it.
No, but you're the good guy and the bad guy. See, I'm just effing up the show by doing that, but then you save the show.
But that is where the game is, no, bro.
Yeah, I think that dynamic is very
Yeah,
important
it's
for
very-
entertainment.
yeah,
That's why in
absolutely.
democracy you have government and opposition.
Correct.
I
For
don't-
only that reason, yes. Let's just say that.
Okay, so let's do one more trick at least since we
Okay,
got
yes,
you here,
yes.
and then we've got some set pieces we want to share with you.
Okay, perfect. So in this envelope, highly professional looking, I have something. I'm not going to show it to you right now.
Huh.
Okay.
Sir, we don't accept bribes.
Then this is
But if you go to
pointless,
Bandra
we'll just
police
move
station-
on to-
No, I'm just kidding.
No, that is a lie and nobody does that. You're right.
Nobody does that.
Yes, perfect. Okay, so I'm going to place this here for the time being. We'll come
Okay.
back to this later. Earlier you chose a number, yeah? You're going to do the same thing. This time,
But that was a number from the phone.
yes, this
Acha.
time I wanted to name it. Just name anything.
From my head?
From 1 to 100, yes. Anything you want.
89.
89.
Yeah.
Why 89? Just asking.
I was just thinking of Beverages is 189, but you only gave me 100, 0 to 100, so I took 89.
Okay, that makes sense.
He had hit that fabulous 189 in 1985, 86 in England. It was
Lovely.
the highest one-day score for a long time.
That is
I see
great.
you have no interest in this.
I have no idea what you're talking about. So, on my phone, I have notes like everybody does. I'm just going to show it to the cameras also. And I only have one list, right? There's one list, it's celebrities, 100 celebrities in the world, and they're all different, right?
Okay.
So, you're going to go through the list and you're
Number
going to
89.
check, yes. Go through the list, make sure the names are also different. This
Okay.
is, I copy pasted this is on my list
Okay.
from Google.
Fair
so,
enough.
whatever celebrity is on 89 is going to be Cyrus's selection.
Okay.
Cyrus,
So
who is
that I
on...
showed a camera, but I'll have to make it big.
No, you can just say it.
Sorry, I rephrased that. I can say the name?
Yeah, you can say the name.
It's Mr. Thomas Cruise.
Mr. Thomas Cruise, Mr.
Yeah.
Tom Cruise.
Yeah.
From the movies. Very nice.
From, what are the movies called? Come on, young guys. What are
oh my
the movies
god, Tom
called?
Cruise. Oh my god, what?
Mission
Top
Impossible.
Gun, Top Gun.
Top Gun.
Top Gun, yes. That guy who does his own stunts.
Does his own stunts at 75.
That's, oh
Yeah.
god. So yeah, Tom Cruise. And one number would have changed. If you would have said 90, it would have been George, Michael. Yeah, all different, yes.
Yeah, correct. You want me to just tell the other numbers?
Probably one or
George
two.
Michael has 90, Anil Kapoor 91, Denzel Washington 92.
Right, could have been anything,
Yeah,
right?
all these guys.
But if you said 89 and that is why you ended up with Tom Cruise.
Right.
And there's no way anybody could have predicted that in advance because we didn't know you were going to say 89.
Correct.
Inside this is a card. On that
I
I
can't believe it.
I have written
No,
a name.
I'll
come
walk
on,
out.
come on.
I'll just walk out.
I think I have
You're
done.
taking steroids.
I have done enough, Cyrus, for you to believe this. No, I will open it. It is built up.
Okay.
Yeah. One card on which I have written down one name. You chose Tom Cruise.
No, I won't believe it.
And
Yeah, it cannot be. This is not fair.
and the name I wrote down was Tom Cruise in Chinese. Tom Cruise in Chinese. Of course, people at home right now and you also might be very disappointed. So
Yeah.
I made sure I write this down on the back of a photograph
Huh.
of Tom Cruise.
Ma ki jai.
Nice save, nice save, dude.
Nice
That
save,
was
nice
a
save.
nice save.
Bro, that's amazing.
Thanks, man.
How would you have?
And
I
in,
mean,
in case
I
somebody
mean, I really see.
wondering,
I made a number. I literally was thinking 189, and because
Right.
it's 0 to 100, I made it 89.
nothing in the envelope. Huh?
So there's no way you could have cheated because I myself were confused.
But I didn't cheat, dude.
Bro, that's fantastic, bro.
Just that good. I don't have to cheat.
I think the government should make you into a special, like a statuette, and you should be paid and sponsored completely by the government, and you should never have to work again. And minimum, you should be worth 10,000 crores per week.
This is every Guju dad's dream, dude.
Yes.
What you're saying is right now.
If
This
only
exactly.
you, if only you had got into the business.
Oh, only if I would have. Yes. He's so sad about it.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Even today, dude.
But this is
For
fabulous, yeah.
everything. I thank you, man.
They like it, the parents.
They like it, yeah.
Come on,
Now
boss,
they
it's-
do. Now
it's
they
impressive.
Do. Yeah.
Huh.
Now they do.
But do they bother you?
My mother takes very active part in creating my shows.
Oh, very
Yeah,
nice.
yeah. She gives advice.
Yeah,
This is not good. Don't do this.
Yeah.
And then even if I do it, even when she said no,
Huh.
it really doesn't work.
Huh.
So my wife does the same thing. So they both keep giving inputs all the
But they don't fight over the who gives the
time.
better
No.
input.
They
Because
usually have
सास
the
भी कभी magician थी.
नहीं they have yeah chalo yaar very nice but they usually have the same thing to say
Yeah.
so yeah
Constructive criticism, I always feel कि
sometimes just criticism
yeah.
constructive is very rare
Yeah,
but
that
yeah,
what is
it's,
constructive?
yeah.
कौन करता है constructive?
yeah.
Is that making the guy into a great human being?
I think it's always only criticism.
Yeah.
Constructive, we just made up so that we can feel nice about it. I think.
really. Oh, the guy is so senior, you want to put the word constructive so it doesn't look bad because he's insulting you.
Yeah.
When he says, hey, you are a complete Jew. Thank you, sir. That was very constructive.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll be less complete
will-
Jew. I'll try
less
and make it, the
complete.
completion has to become less, yeah. So that was that. Lots of great tricks. Is there any way, how do people see you online and all? What's
So the Karan Chauhan Show is the Instagram handle.
Okay.
YouTube, everything is the Karan Chauhan.
and there's a
Show.
lot of fresh material, right?
Yeah, yeah.
That comes in. He's reinventing the points all the
Absolutely.
time. It's not like the same.
No.
Yeah.
I don't like doing the same thing.
Correct. This is a new haircut or this has been there for some time?
This has been there for some time now.
But
like I
what
told
does
you.
your wife say about
She likes
slightly
it.
personal? Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. In a way, it's very attractive, but it's very loud. So I'm just thinking, like,
Yeah.
when I take you somewhere with me, if I'm just, two guys hanging out, everybody's going to stare at you a lot. I mean, you must be getting that.
I do get that.
Which
a
is
lot.
great on stage, which is great for your work.
But
for
regular,
your
no, it's
personal
very
life.
awkward, dude. It gets
Yeah.
very
like public
awkward.
toilet, mein, there's
Haan.
Jairam peeing next to you. He's whistling some Hindi song. Yeah. And he sees you. He's like, it's like a Hindi film villain from the 80s.
Arey, dude, earlier the beard was not this long. It was a little shorter. So the one thing that people would always say, कि आप बादशाह ऐसा दिखते हो.
Badshah, yeah. Yeah, there are a lot
And
of.
then, yeah, it happened a lot then. It was irritating after a point of time.
But you have to keep shaving that part of the head also, no?
Yes.
Which is like almost everyday basis.
No, every 3 days.
Every 3 days.
3 days.
You have someone. You have someone for that.
Yes, one guy who does this.
comes and does all
started this.
So he has to re-clean you up every 3 days.
Yeah.
Who is this guy?
He's a very free guy.
Looks like it.
Yeah.
Does your wife know this guy is hanging around all the time?
Yes.
मेरे समय है मेरा number आ गया. Come on, bend down, beta. You must be short also. No, I mean, how is he going to? Come on, guys.
Yes,
You're a
yes.
tall guy, yaar.
Yeah, man.
सबके पास magic नहीं है.
Ah.
Okay, come on. We've got to go. Shreya's programmed this AMA a little differently, so
Yes.
we have to get into Two Truths and a Lie, it's called.
Two truths and a lie.
We are testing you. No, I'm not testing you. The producer is testing you.
Okay.
I'm just the messenger.
Okay.
Okay. So these are about myself. So basically, 2 will be true, 1 will be a lie.
Okay.
I got arrested and my mother bailed me out. I gave Kunal Vijayekar his first break audition. I haven't renewed my driving license since I turned 50.
I think Kunal Vijayekar one is the lie.
You want to go again? You've been superb so far.
No?
Uh.
No? Are you kidding me? Then driving license thing.
Yeah, that's the lie.
That's the lie?
Correct,
yeah,
correct,
because वो jail... Is it? Correct?
Correct.
हाँ तो थोड़ा खुश तो हो जाओ यार दोनों ऐसे
Mother bailed me out.
mother build me out. What happened?
I've been locked up 3 times drinking.
अच्छा वैसा.
वो तो मैं बंद किया अभी सब
हाँ,
कुछ. And once the whole story we want to know
Yes.
is that Kunal and I were both in the lockup, and I told him, "Now you call your mom because her house was in Riscandi and the police station was closer at Kamdevi." And he said, "No, I'm too embarrassed to call my mom. He's 7.5 years older than me."
Okay.
So he called my mom. So my poor old mom came
Poor thing.
20 years ago,
Right.
and he hid behind a kamba in that. Because he didn't want her to see him. And I'm telling him, but idiot, she came and she paid the bill, 950 bucks each. She knows you are there, no? So what's the point of drunk Kunal hiding behind one pillar and trying to act like he's not there? No, and then he used to call in the landline for the next 2-3 days and he would not, if my mom picked it up, he put the phone down.
Oh God.
I'm like, and she, poor thing, was least bothered about all this. She was just worried that something happened to
Yeah,
us,
yeah,
at that
yeah.
point, oh God.
Oh dude.
What a guy.
How
But-
drunk was Kunal at that time? My goodness.
He was very badly behaved. Then I did give Kunal Vijayekar his first break.
Oh, lovely.
Audition. As in for his play,
Right.
where he had to audition as Bade Chacha. It was called Ali Baba and Charlie's Store, some
Okay.
version of it, pantomime thingy.
Okay.
And Bade Chacha is the what is the girl's name? Laila, whatever. Her dad. So Ali Baba's in love with this young girl. There's a side plot and all that. So he's this guy keeps spitting in a spittoon and talking. So kids loved it,
Right.
Kids love loud behavior. So he was fantastic at spitting.
So were you in the casting also?
Yeah, so 2-3 of us who were doing the play together,
Right.
Rayal Padamsi actually, and we were sitting there and he was horrible at reading, really bad. But he just made a lot of good expressions and coughed a lot and all. We just found him fascinating. Just like most talent in Bollywood, not really there, but let's put it on.
But they all cough a lot.
They all cough a lot. Yeah. So wo to ho gaya. And then the driving license, since I turned 15, I have not gone. I took my daughter for her driving test.
And
just
you
2 months
still
ago.
didn't give it yourself.
No, why should I? I mean, I'm over 18. I mean, do you have to go after 50 renewal के लिए? करना पड़ता है ना?
अभी भी वापस करना
I have
पड़ता
to double check. I don't know. But I have showed my license to a cop just day before.
है. You didn't say anything.
No. At 5:30 they stopped me on my way to the gym, and we always have lovely dialogue. And I always ask him, आपको क्या लगता है मैं gangster हूँ, आतंकवादी हूँ, देख सब gym bag है इधर. I mean, we have that kind of conversation. He gets most affronted that I'm talking to him, but I talk nicely. I don't talk badly.
All are true.
All are true. All are true. I don't die. Only this license thing is not. Oh, the next slot. Karan, please pay attention. They're getting angry.
Okay, yes,
because
yes.
2 ADHDs at the same time is too
Oh
much.
my
for them.
God, I know.
Ready? So another set of 3. 2 are correct. 1 is a lie.
One is a lie.
A famous personality gave alcohol to my dog.
Okay.
Someone else got bashed up for things I did at a yacht party. I ran away from my home to get married to Aisha. Want to read it?
No,
I'll
no.
cover the answer.
No. I'm
I'll
just
say
going
it
to take
again.
a guess. No,
a
I'm going to
famous
take a guess.
personality gave alcohol to my dog.
I think that is true.
It's true. You're right.
It is.
Piyush Pandey.
Piyush Pandey gave
Advertising guru.
Of course.
Bacha, upara, what a lovely dog.
What
I was a young
alcohol
boy,
did he
he
give?
used to live in my lane. So I brought the dog up. They're all drinking, and Piyush's chamchas, 10 of them all wearing black, and he's drinking whiskey. And he said, "How old are you?" I said, 15, 16, whatever. He said, he was doubting, should I pillow him or not? But, those were different times. Then he loved the dog.
Right.
So he said, dog's name was Volpe. He said, Volpe, come here, Volpe. Put his finger in Scotch whiskey, which my dad would never take out except for a special person once in 4 years.
Right.
Scotch whiskey. I started giving my dog the whiskey through the finger. And they became best friends.
Of course.
Every time my dog, we would walk under his building, my dog would be like, let's go. I said, Kutta ji, मैं underage हूँ. We can't go. It was damn cool. Yeah, the way
Yeah,
he
man,
did it.
dude, seriously.
I started doing that with my friends when I started drinking and all that.
You also gave your friends finger में
all of them, like all the boys would do the same thing. Put the hand in the glass and it's damn cool to feel. And the dogs also drinking with you. I thought, you got to experience
This
it,
is
man.
going to be amazing. You play fetch with your dog. You're like,
Yeah.
go fetch. You're like, खुद लेके आओ.
Can you imagine a chore breaks in, the dog is drunk.
Why कल आना है आज hangover. Dude, this is crazy,
True
man.
story. Okay, next one. Someone else got bashed up for the things I did at a yacht party.
What is the last one?
I ran away from home to marry Aisha. Or whatever, elope. क्या क्या
I
देखा
think
है
Aisha
सर?
wala is a lie.
You're right.
Seriously?
You're right.
See, I'm a mentalist.
You cracked it, bro. This time you cracked it.
No,
full.
seriously,
Yeah.
is it a lie?
Yeah.
I am surprising myself every single time.
Aisha
because
was-
what I do is fake.
Yeah.
This is actually happening. This is actually happening. Oh God, dude. ज़्यादा पैसा मांगेगा रे?
Yeah. So someone else got bashed up for the things I did at a yacht party.
Well, tell me this one also.
So this is when I was drinking heavily in those days.
Right.
My good friend Cyrus Saukar had just come. He was a VJ.
Okay.
You remember him?
Yeah.
Huh? So Saukar, young bola bala boy, 17, 18-year-old from Delhi. They lie about their age, so 23. But but very well, spoke very. He's not the way he was. He still is actually a very sweet guy. That part of him is always there. So what happened is he was not drinking or anything. He was very scared of all these, intimidated by all these Bombay types here. Our marketing sales guys, all of us drinking heavily, misbehaving, me shouting and screaming like a nut. All that's going on. He was like, he wasn't comfortable yet. He wasn't yet the Saukar. And I don't know, I used to get drunk and I threw chairs into the... We were on a yacht party and I threw the plastic chairs
Into the
apparently
water?
into the water.
Okay.
And the guys who owned the ship, the word got around, Kisne kiya? And my first name was used. Cut to, when they docked finally, me and Kunal and some others, we took off and went to Bade Mia to eat at Taj area, where it docks. And disappeared, happily ever after. Got into the car and drove off home. Meantime, they are, कौन है, बुला उसको, कौन है, दिखाओ, कौन है, Cyrus कौन है? So he was the only Cyrus left. So while they're hitting him, they physically assaulted him.
God,
And then my
dude.
boys were marketing guys were trying to stop it. He's trying to tell them, मैं वो Cyrus नहीं हूँ. And that they can't understand that there will be two guys called the same name. Then they were put on. Poor guy.
Arey
Scarred him. He was
baap
so
re.
angry. He was so upset. Yeah.
We should have given him whiskey with a finger. He would have been very happy.
Or I could have given him a chair.
Or a chair.
Might as well do it. And then the third one is a complete lie. Okay, now we are coming to our Jinx segment, which is I'm told the greatest segment on Cyrus Says we've ever done.
Oh, wow.
And it will be presented by young Shreya, who just turned, you should never ask a woman her age, but between 23 and 25, she turned on Sunday, the August 10th.
Can I guess that number?
Guess that number!
37.
You're right! एक और कुर्सी फेंक दो! Who throws chairs into the sea?
And who gets beaten up for that, dude? Like, he should
No,
have...
no, because it's like-
Cyrus should have thrown chairs after getting beaten up. कि अभी तो मैं जो नहीं किया ना उसके लिए मारा है तो अभी मैं करेगा.
He should have bought the boat. With Amitabh Bachchan movie from
Arey,
the 80s, he'd have bought the
He should have
boat
bought
and
the
then
boat.
thrown the same chairs and made them watch.
Yeah, that is a much better way to do it.
Okay, so this is a Jinx segment, guys. I will give you all categories and you have to say what words come first to your mind. So here we go. The first category is fruits. Cyrus?
3, 2, 1.
Watermelons.
Watermelon.
Who does that?
Okay, so that's rehearsal. That's rehearsal.
That's rehearsal,
अभी
yeah.
show चालू है.
हाँ.
And action.
Okay, one more time. Fruits.
3, 2, 1. Pineapple.
Oranges. Acha, you went for pineapple again.
I
Arre.
thought you'd go with me, yaar.
I thought you'll change it.
Damn it.
Okay, next category. Do you want me to give you the 3 to 1?
Yes, please.
Yeah, you
Okay,
give the 3,
cool.
2, 1.
I'll give you the 3.
We've changed the rules, and this is loosely based on Jimmy Fallon's show. Jimmy Fallon, who wrote the song "Fallon in Love."
Or Jimmy, acha,
Jimmy,
acha.
yeah,
Acha.
Jimmy. Mithun. Arre, what?
Okay, so the next category is musical instruments. 3, 2, 1.
Guitar.
Violin.
Oh, I was going to say violin. Oh, and then I changed last minute.
Let's try it again. Let's see what happens.
Musical instruments. 3, 2, 1.
Violin.
Banjo.
Did not see that coming.
Yeah, come on, bro.
What the hell, dude?
Get a chance.
I'm going to go with the first one.
What a lovely.
Would have been so amazing.
Which one? Guitar.
No, violin.
Chalo, ठीक है. We'll do it again. No planning.
3,
There is not-
2, 1.
Violin.
Violin.
Arre, very nice, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Bro.
And no,
Synchronized.
we didn't. This is first
No,
time.
no,
rehearsal.
First time.
No setup.
Bet you 1 hour ago, yaar.
Yeah, man.
क्या बात है?
What the hell? I was
throw
just
karma.
born like.
Do you have a
3
chop
months-
on your ass?
I don't actually, but I
Take
should
mine.
have.
Not ass. Chop.
Chop, of course.
The next category is Mumbai suburbs. 3, 2, 1.
Malad.
Goregaon.
Malad.
You
I
said
said
Malad.
Malad. I said Malad.
It's a very Gujarati thing to do, yaar.
Yeah, I know.
You went straight for Malad. You should have given me a warning, yaar.
3, 2, 1.
Elphinstone Road.
That's very specific,
That's
yaar.
very specific.
Now you got a story to tell.
No, I was just. I
You
thought
didn't
we'll
say
just go opposite.
Don't say Elphinstone Bridge because
Okay.
that's not exactly there.
3, 2, 1.
Bandra.
Bandra बराबर है.
क्या?
And in one shot again, how
Boss.
are we, bro? Seriously,
Boss.
we should sit and jam just for
Isn't
no
it
reason.
Amar Akbar Anthony scene na, with the
Yeah.
mother's blood?
Blood
goes
is
to
going
all-
into-
Yeah. Without the test tube being
Her
connected
questions
also.
are the blood and our words are the whatever.
Amar Akbar Anthony.
Apparently, Manmohan Desai had guaranteed. I heard a story that that scene will get applause, and Amitabh Bachchan was like, "ये क्या? Science does not allow this. Why are you doing this?" So Manmohan Desai was like, "कि नहीं तू देख, अमित theater में applause आएगा." And आया था उसमें applause.
Can you believe it?
Amazing.
Oh, I
dude.
love the film though.
Yeah. Just great, dude. But that one scene.
Then now you think about all those scenes of when you're young and you watch the movie, it was fantastic.
yeah,
yaar.
man.
Come
Full
on.
emotional
Yeah,
this thing. Yeah.
Ready?
The next category is cricketers. 3, 2, 1.
Virat
Virat.
Kohli.
This we got.
This we got. This we got.
This
This
we got.
Only one.
And there's a good chance
King
recall
Kohli.
is the highest.
Yeah.
Still, even though he's retired, sort
Yeah.
of. ठीक है.
Virat Kohli.
Last category.
How we are convincing each other that we are right.
Yeah, we are
about
very good at this.
it. We are.
We are very good. Jimmy,
True,
Jimmy
man.
has nothing on us. Yeah.
Bro, really. Jimmy. बोलो.
Body parts. 3, 2, 1.
Ass.
Penis.
Oh.
पर वो दोनों में कुछ relationship है कभी.
हाँ कभी लेकिन
कभी-
दोनों किसी और का होना चाहिए.
Or details are not on this podcast.
और ये
It's a
suddenly-
family friendly podcast, boss. We don't do all that.
That was sudden change.
But I don't know why you went for ass.
I thought you just said ass, so I thought you'll say ass.
I think we
again.
are finished in the business.
Yes.
After your
Yes.
ass and my penis,
Yes.
we have nowhere to go.
Nothing.
We must go to Goregaon and from there to Elphinstone.
So, and then do not climb the bridge, of
And
course,
do not climb.
because it's not
Well,
there. Yeah.
nothing really there. Huh.
Yeah.
Guess one more time.
Which one? Okay, go ahead.
Body
You
parts
didn't
again.
match, no?
Yeah.
Body parts. 3, 2, 1.
Nose.
Testic. Nose. Testinose.
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 Testinose is a
Testinose.
new muscle next to the
Yes,
shoulder.
yes,
yeah.
it connects.
I've heard
the-
of it.
Just
Yeah.
like in Ram Akbar Anthony, you connect the deltoid all the way to the lung. Yes. Doctor, you are right.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Last time.
हाँ, last time.
3, 2, 1.
Hand. What she
I
said
thought the
that
category
one.
was the same category.
Body part.
Same category.
Body
Okay,
part.
Sorry.
हाँ.
No, I, that's not fair. It's like Kacha Limbu. We will do it again. And
category. Cuisines. 3, 2, 1.
Mughlai.
Ethiopian.
Ethio Mughlai, yes.
Mughlai.
Yes.
Eat your Mughlai. Okay, one last chance.
So she's changing
3,
category.
2, 1, bolo na.
Achha, okay. 3, 2, 1.
Spanish.
Thigh. I thought you said ass. I said penis. Now thigh makes sense, no? I mean,
Arey, acha, you're going like that. It's a different category, no? Though?
I get confused between food and.
Of course
body
you do.
parts. Sometimes I just eat my friends. Rakesh.
Why Rakesh?
I don't know.
You could have said anything.
I know.
You could have said Barbara.
And I'm so straight. That's the embarrassing part. You're a duffer and you're straight. This is what happens.
Straight up Rakesh.
तूने ass बोला बेंचोद. तूने ass बोला.
But you just said ass before me.
I
yaar.
know.
Dude, crazy. You put ass in my head, dude. For no reason. Like,
Bro, we have to stop talking.
okay.
We have to stop talking by law.
Oh.
There's no culture in the world which is permitting us to go on. I'm so sorry.
This is
Alright.
fun. This
Okay,
thing. Yeah.
before we say bye, he can be seen on YouTube
Yes.
and on Insta.
And Instagram, The Karan Chauhan Show.
The Karan Chauhan Show. And if you want to book him, please check him out. And
Yeah.
He's available for corporates, for private parties, for Suhagrat, Kabhi Akela.
Okay.
Sometimes she leaves.
Okay.
Then we'll play this game again.
We're also doing one more. Do you mind if I just plug this in also?
Please.
We're doing this series of theatre shows
nice.
called Karan versus Karan. And it combines comedy and mentalism.
Okay.
And we have one happening on the 16th of August in SP Malad.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
16th of August is
16th of
Elvis's death
August.
anniversary. I don't leave the house. But please go ahead and watch the show.
Thank you so
Tickets are available?
much. Book my show. Tickets on bookmyshow.
bookmyshow.com.
Yes.
Karan versus Karan.
Karan versus Karan.
Wow, that sounds great.
Yeah, man.
So you take yourself on?
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, before we end, there was one piece of information. There was this big wedding. I can't remember the name of the family. Naam kya tha? Anyway, they're very, very rich. And they had this
rich.
big wedding about 2 years baback. Maybe 1.5 years back. And you performed there.
Yes.
Yes.
That was fun.
So what was the name
That
of the
was,
family?
that was the
Kirloskar.
name of the family was
Nahi,
Tatas. No, not
Singhania.
Tatas.
Tata's to
This is
Neva.
very big family. Very, very rich.
The Goyals.
Bill Gates was there's too
Bill
far-fetched.
Gates was
No, too
there.
far-
He came, right?
Too far-fetched, yes.
He
Yes,
attended
was
the wedding.
there.
He's an eminent guest.
Yes.
Anyway, we'll get the name later.
Huh.
But how was the wedding?
Wedding was fantastic, dude. Huge setup, huge everything.
Yeah.
I mean, crazy.
And you
They
did a
had-
personal thing with the bride and groom?
We did one personal stuff, but in the green room only because then they had to. This was a wedding reception, so they had to be on stage the rest of the time. And then we did it with the people,
Audience.
the other
Oh,
celebrities.
so you go
yeah.
one-on-one. And-
Yes.
Yeah.
This was one of those.
So
things,
who were the celebrities you remember?
Rajkumar Rao was there. I think
nice.
Ayushmann Khurrana, Akshay Kumar was there.
Were they sweet,
Yeah.
friendly?
Yeah, kind of. Yeah.
Yeah?
Nice. They gave good
Did
reactions.
you play this game?
We were happy.
Name the body part and all?
No, I wanted to really. I wanted to. So you have no idea. But then we didn't have time, dude.
Huh.
Would have been fun.
Yeah.
Akshay Kumar would have said ass. I think. I don't know why.
Why would you do that?
I don't know. I'm just
Bichara. He's a
guessing.
sweet
yaar.
guy.
That but he's funny also, na, in his
Yeah,
own
he's
way.
funny. He's
Yeah.
funny. But that's not. I like him.
He's nice.
I'm a protector of Akshay bhai.
You're a okay.
Yeah. Ha, Ambani wedding.
Ambani's. Yeah, man. How did we miss that name?
Check pe nahi tha?
Cash.
There's no cash in India after demonetization.
Yeah, but that is why I did this. Na, this is
Achha.
universal
And-
symbol of people
correct,
can't
correct.
hear it.
And the camera's on that side. So you were
Yeah,
right to
so,
do it. And I was wrong to mention that
That cash is not there. In
that is
India.
not there. Yeah. Anyway, so that's it. Thank you, Karan. Thank you for
so
being
much.
there.
Thank
As we say
Thank
bye,
you.
let me do a magic trick for you.
Oh yes, please.
You watch this, my eyes. My eyes, huh? My eyeballs. Now watch this.
Oh, crazy. Nice. That was demonically amazing.
Daru teaches you so much.
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो,
Please. तमीज से बात करना है ना. Important people यार.